Okay, in today's lesson, one of the things you're going to have to do is talk about recording your work. So it says, although using algebra tiles can make some things easier because you can see and touch the math, it can be difficult to remember what you did to solve the problem unless you take good notes. So below is a table that we're going to use to help us record all of our work so we remember what we did. So the first thing we're always going to do is we're going to write down our original expressions. So on the left-hand side, we have 2 negative tiles at the top, 1 positive, 3 negative, and the bottom will be the opposite of negative x plus 3. On the right-hand side, we have 2 minus 3, and then minus x minus 2. So the explanation for this is that was our original expression. So the next thing that we do is we need to start to simplify our board. So to simplify our board, let me grab one of my pens. And I'm going to start to flip things. So that's the first step. So I'm going to take this x that's negative, I'm going to flip it up here to the top. So now it is a positive x. These negatives on the bottom here, positives, are going to become negatives when I flip them to the top. So now they're no longer down here. On the other side, I'm going to flip this x and it's going to become a negative x. And these negative tiles are going to become positives. Normally we keep them inside the mat, but didn't exactly have enough room to draw. So once I've done that, I now rewrite my expression again. I now have a positive x, 2 negative x's, positive 1 and 6 negatives on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I have 4 positives, 3 negatives, and a negative x. And my explanation is that I flipped the tiles. Now I'm going to take away some 0 pairs. Let's just cross them out. So I have a positive x and a negative x. I can cancel those. And then a positive and a negative tile. And this side, I can cancel out this positive and negative, this positive and negative, and this positive. So now I have negative x minus 5 left on the left side, and negative x plus 1 on the right side. And my explanation is I removed 0 pairs. The next thing that I could do is I could take away balance x. So I have a negative x here and a negative x here. I could cancel those out, remove those. That's all I can remove. So now on the left-hand side, I have negative 5. And on the right-hand side, I have positive 1. My explanation is that I removed balance x. So now, since I can't remove anything else, I can't flip anything else, the last step is to compare. So I'm going to compare it. That I say that negative 5 is less than 1, so the right side must be greater. So make sure that you've recorded this in your notes. And this is the same process you use for the next few problems.